So hi everyone, today we're going to talk about DevDb, which is basically a lightweight VS Code extension that provides a database GUI client and displays data and schema directly in our editor. So let's get started and see what are the features and functionalities that this provides. So let's get by installing first. So yeah, now our installation is done. And this is basically my simple Laravel application. And I'm going to open my terminal. So over here, got an option called DevDb. Once I click on it, it asks me like which type of database I want to use. Basically, I can connect to a SQLite by providing it with the file, and I can connect with MySQL from my env. So basically, it picks the value from my env. Let's click on connect, and as you can see, it has connected with my database, and it has all the five tables that I generally have for my this application. And once I click on one of the tables, let's say the users, I get to see the data. Now, you can also see the schema of my table as well. Like, let's make it much more readable if possible. Sorry, I think I'm not able to expand it, but yeah, I can show it like this. So, yep, this is how it shows. Now, let's see if I can search FAVIAN. So, yes, you can see like only have the one record, which means it is actively searching from my table. And one more thing, you can also provide theme based on your preference, basically a light theme or a dark theme. Depending upon your preference, you can use whichever you want. So I think this is pretty much what our DevDB offers. But yeah, it is a very beautiful solution. With this, you don't need to install another external application to work with your DB. Yeah, thank you for watching.